In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that allows you to organize your work in a highly customizable way. Knowing how to delete columns is essential, as it helps you keep your workspace organized and uncluttered, ensuring none of your projects get lost in an overwhelming sea of details. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can easily manage your ClickUp columns. To get started, the first thing you need to do is go to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. This should bring you to your ClickUp dashboard where all your spaces and tasks are visible. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it, as this will make navigating through your tasks easier. Now the next step is to head over to the specific space where you want to delete the column. Spaces in ClickUp are like different projects or departments. Think of them as large folders that hold your related tasks. Once you've chosen the correct space, you'll need to view your list of tasks or the columns that you've set up. On this page, you'll see the layout of your tasks in columns, which helps visually organize all the tasks you're working on. If you look closely, you'll notice there are 3 dots that appear on the corner of each column. This is typically referred to as the Options menu or More Actions menu. If you're having trouble finding it, try hovering your cursor over the column header and it should appear. Once you see the 3 dots, click on them. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several different actions you can take regarding that column. Here, you need to find the option labeled Delete. It's usually positioned towards the bottom of the list. Before you proceed, just ensure that you're absolutely sure about deleting the column, as this action cannot be undone and will permanently remove any data associated with it. Finally, go ahead and click on Delete. A confirmation prompt may appear just to double check that your intention is to remove the column. Confirm the action and you'll see the column disappear from your task view. And there you have it, a simple process to successfully delete columns in ClickUp. Remember, managing your columns effectively can significantly enhance your productivity and keep your workspace orderly. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more ClickUp tips and tricks.